In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the gamma symbol in Microsoft Word, whether you're writing a mathematical paper, preparing a detailed physics report, or simply needing this special character for any other reason. The process is straightforward and easy to manage. So let's dive into it. To begin, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word application. If you don't have it installed, ensure you download it from a reliable source before starting. Once Word is open, you should select a blank page. This fresh slate will help you focus solely on the task at hand without any distractions from other texts or content. Now, let's direct our attention to the upper part of the screen. Look for the Insert tab, which is an essential part of Word designed to help you add various elements like images, tables, and, importantly for us, symbols. Once you've located the Insert tab, go ahead and click on it. This will open a myriad of options tailored to expand your document's capabilities. With the Insert tab open, find and click on the Symbol button. You'll see this option somewhere to the far right, usually alongside other icons meant for inserting objects. After clicking Symbol, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you want to choose More Symbols. By selecting this, you get access to an extensive library of symbols that Word offers, far beyond what the initial list can accommodate. At this point, a dialog box will pop up. In the center of the window, there's a drop-down menu labeled Subset. Click on this drop-down menu and scroll through until you find Greek and Coptic. Selecting this subset allows you to view a collection of Greek characters, among which is the gamma symbol. Scrolling through the list under the Greek and Coptic subset, locate the gamma symbol. It might be beneficial to remember its appearance, a lowercase ae and uppercase eog, so you can pick it out quickly. Once you have found the gamma symbol that suits your needs, click on it to highlight the character. Finally, at the bottom of the dialog box, there's an Insert button. Click on this, and just like that, the gamma symbol is added right into your document where your cursor is placed. With this step-by-step guide, you can now efficiently insert a gamma symbol into any Word document. This skill can enhance your document's presentation, especially when dealing with scientific or mathematical content. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your next Word project. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our guides.